last time one of the dudes that we came with, he wanted to like imitate what the slide would be like, so we just started sliding like on the bare rock.
Yeah.
And then he started like picking up speed. He's like, oh shit.
Be careful, man.
What do you say?
What do you think?
Yeah? Across like that?
Alright. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's gonna suck. God damn, my knee hurts. Oh fuck. Man. Woo! God damn. Is it easier, Brian? Is it a lot easier?
Yeah.
Woo!
Man, this is crazy though, man.
Oh yeah, dude.
You feel like you're rocking and shit, right?
Oh yeah, dude. Woo!
Today. Yeah. Oh.
Damn.
You guys gonna sit here for a minute?
Fuck yeah, dude. Oh man. Put my leg over this bitch. Shit, fuck if I know, dude. What? Alright, man. I know. Shit. We went over it. Yeah. I got my hands above my head. Hell yeah. Shit, the breeze. Hell yeah, dude. Shit, if I could, I'd barbecue on here. Hell yeah. Go under one of these trees, get the little one, the little set. Make a little round barbecue thing with a little charcoal. I don't think I'll bring anything back, but I'll leave it here. Let the next person use it. Put a note in there. Enjoy. Thanks, Nick. So thanks. Shit, I almost ate shit a couple times. That fucking rock, dude. Ah, goddamn. Yeah, dude, I got scared right when we were when you were coming down. You remember I had to kind of flip over. I didn't know what side to go down on because I thought it was just go straight down, eat shit, go down the fucking park slide and shit. Got a little scared right there. I got a little scared right there. Yep. Something like that. Uphill. Coming up. Shit, I would have fucking rolled off the mountain instead of coming back up this way. Shit, you know what I want to do? I want to get a fucking shit. It's like one of those really big heavy nails. You just fucking throw some rope on that bullshit coming down. But whatever.
It was all good just a week ago. Niggas feel themselves, and they watch the phone drop. Just kill themselves. What niggas don't do, ho? It's a new crack on a new stone. Been too low, true that. It's telling me, you back. Like a nigga ever left about this dick, huh? And if life a bitch, they suck my dick, huh? And I bet she fucked the whole clique, huh? By the way, nigga, you should fucking quit, nigga. Just forget it. Talk it, I lived it. Tequila, I did it. Jokes on you, motherfucker, I get it. No paper, no.
Yeah. Yeah, something like it.
What the hell? A peacock? Yeah, it's a peacock.
What are you doing out here, peacock? You don't see them.
Says it.
Look, these fucking animals. Someone broke loose. Fucking animal rebellion. All of them down here.
Watch out below, I'm moving out the door. I'm about to go, hey.
Keep moving.